Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1000 amp 18 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase, does have a remote control with ramp controls. Turn it on so you can see that go here in a second. Overall dimensions 36 inches long by 39 inches wide by 49 inches high. Unit has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. It's in good working condition. We'll fire it up here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Weighs roughly 575 pounds. And back to the remote here, we have the ramp on. Ramp time is adjustable. If you turn it all the way to 100, the ramp time is 6.75 minutes to get up to full capacity. We're not going to take that long today, but instead we'll have it a minimal number. And we'll start it up now so you can see and hear it go. Slowly starts ramping up as you can see. And again, that is adjustable. You have the directions that'll come with it to explain that for you. But if you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.